What's up, YouTube? Today I'm discussing how to replace this cabin air filter in my Hyundai Sonata. I'm pretty sure, like all the other Hyundai models, like the Elantra and other Sonatas, mine's a 2011 GLS, but this is where I got it on Amazon for like 9 or 10 bucks. This is the model number here, CAF 11819, premium cabin air filter. All right, show you how to get it out. Get the old one out. Come over here. They have this little clip right here. See this little thing here? You turn this some kind of way and it comes off like that, or you can just do what I do, reach in here and squeeze it towards the center, and it just pops down like that. And see in here, James, over here they got this little clip. So you see this little clip? You squeeze this little clip right here and this comes out like this, and this is a little tab. See the little tab? That goes in here when you're ready to do it. So when you pull the old one out, you pull it out like this, you got all the crap in it, and make sure the arrow has the airflow with the arrow pointing down. The airflow comes from the top to bottom. So look how dirty this thing was, James. Can you see how dirty it was? So you throw that one away. You get the other one like this. Open it up. This is a no arrow needed, huh? This one says no arrow needed. So I guess it's the same top or bottom. So, I mean, if yours has an arrow, make sure the arrow is pointing down. And you just slide it in here like this. Shake it a little bit. Push. Give it a little push. Push it all the way in. Like that. See if you can find that little thing that I just had. Oh, here it is. Remember, this little clip right here goes in there. See it? It goes in there first, then you push this, and it snaps. And that's a wrap. When you're pushing this back in, you just squeeze it like that. Now you have it. That's changed.